Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napolean Macro. So Bitcoin is obviously continuing higher. On our previous video, we had a prediction of $45,300 that has been obliterated here. So what we're going to do now is just simply go over what could take place next, the level to watch for, and that's pretty much it. So welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action only. Let's just go ahead and dive into what I'm seeing here and pick up where we left off on the last video and dive into the charts here, shall we? So today's August the 13th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $47,669, and is fluctuating there 2 pennies. It's up approximately 7.2% for the day. Okay. All right, so welcome back, ASMR Interesting Analysis. If you're new here, I'm going to leave a link for the previous video that we've just posted here, okay? All right, so here's the lines, original lines. Okay, so the white circle represents something as well. We're going to get to that in 1 second. So on our last video, we were saying that Bitcoin had the potential to go up to $45,300. That level has obviously been broken through and above the previous level of resistance, which is $46,300. Really simple what needs to take place next. The previous level of resistance is $46,300. So if the market stays above that level, just expect the market to continue higher. That's it, guys. Really simple, actually. So, if there's any turbulence here, resistance, and the market wants to come back and test that previous level of resistance or close the door behind them, so to speak, as it moves into the next room, as we went over that on the last video, and then moves higher. Beautiful, guys. Just expect the markets to move higher. All right. That's pretty simple. At this moment, the only target, I think on our last video, hopefully we'll leave a link for it, was the breakthrough level, which is $48,000. Yeah, the $48,000. So if we see a nice breakthrough of $48,000, I don't think people truly understand like how bullish the markets are like setting up to get. Like this is going to be incredibly bullish, something that we have never seen in our lifetime. Okay. 48,000 about right there. Looks like we already got a test of that level, and maybe it could, potentially be gearing up to break through that level before the close, because it's like 5 o'clock right now, and we have like 3 hours to close on the daily candle. So, yeah, maybe it's gonna break through now. Who knows? Let's wait and see. But if it breaks through and it stays through, well, yeah, man, I'm really gonna like to see the accounts back where they were, prior to the big dump off, so to speak, in 65,000. It's gonna be really nice. All right. So that's done. So yeah, the previous level of resistance, $46,300. I don't think we have to worry about the $45,300 level anymore for now. Okay. So the last thing that I want to get to, yes, the 50 and the 200 exponential moving average. Ladies and gentlemen, we are less than 3 hours away from a technical bull market. That's right. Napoleon Macro says that the market, Bitcoin, is officially going to be back within a bull market in less than 3 hours. Okay, so we're looking at the 50, the green line, cross above that red line, and then we will be officially back in a bull market. So what to expect when we're back in a bull market? Okay, the one thing that I would like to see is, let's just get rid of everything. What you want to see is obviously the red line is starting to curl up a bit. That's actually really good. I think we explained that in one of our last videos. We just want to see this red line curl up some, right? Maybe if we have to do some sort of sideways consolidating, just to kind of gear up for a move higher, that's fine as well. But the only thing that I would like to see now that the market will be freshly back within a bull market is to at least maintain the price fluctuations above the 50 exponential moving average for at least the next 2 to 3 weeks. If it starts breaking down below that, I think that's going to be a little bit too soon. I think the true power, or the true strength, will be shown if Bitcoin can just kind of use that 50 exponential moving average as a launch pad here in the short term, just so they can start breaking above these previous swing highs, just to kind of get the kinks out, break through these barriers, get all of these previous swing highs out of the way, accomplish those levels. This way, the sellers who have entered the market at about 65, maybe even at $59,000, $58,000 will start covering their positions and allow the market to, just kind of relieve that pressure and allow Bitcoin to start to flourish and break above these barriers. And congratulations to all of those who've been telling me, like, listen, dude, Bitcoin is strong. It's in a bull market. It's never been out of a bull market. I have to say, congrats to you guys. At least for now, I was just simply going by the technicals, guys. The 50 and the 200 are officially going to cross here in the short term, as long as we don't have any substantial rejections here in the market, which I don't think will happen. I do think the path is clear to at least $51 up to $53,000. Please don't enter the market based on that, okay? Because we did post a video. Hopefully we're leaving a link for that. Down when the market was like, I don't know, $30,000, $40,000. We were saying, listen, Bitcoin is potentially going up to $53,000 in due time. I'm not really good with the timing, but the technicals that when I'm looking at a chart, I can see these things just by looking at candlesticks. So yeah, so 51, 53,000 incoming. Bull market is approaching us in less than 3 hours. Remember, guys, I know there's going to be a lot of excitement over the next week or two if the market continues higher, but just please understand, our true accomplishments will be accomplished when we take out the previous swing highs at about $58,000 and ultimately the $64,000, $65,000 level. Okay, that's what we truly want to see. I mean, a really aggressive break above those levels, and then and only then is when we can say, okay, now we're in business. I mean, we are really cranking this price. 6-digit Bitcoins, here we come. All right, so please, guys, remember to be responsible out there. Have a strategy as you're entering and exiting the markets. If you're long-term investing, obviously you're just buying and holding. Great job there to keep your strong hands, I guess, so to speak, and not sell any Bitcoins. We didn't sell any Bitcoins, by the way, guys. And this big drop to the downside, no, we didn't sell any Bitcoins. No, we're not gonna sell Bitcoin that's gone down like, I don't know, was it like 40-50% drop or something like that? No way. Down to 30,000 when a lot of people are getting bearish. No. Just didn't make sense, guys. We did try to ensure our positions near the $41,000 level as the market went down. And then when we seen it approaching us, we said, time to get out. And then, of course, the market went higher, and it's continuing to go higher. All right, so yeah, so well done, everyone. All the Bitcoin bulls, way to hang in there. We're approaching a bull market. And remember, just the 50 exponential moving average, even if you just want to put one line on your chart, that 50 exponential, I'm using TradeView.com. Just make sure all the price action is taking place above the 50 exponential, and we should be well on our way to substantially higher levels. But we got to get the accomplishments done. Okay? It's exciting. Sure, it looks great, but stay focused, guys. We must take out the swing highs to truly be in beautiful position. All right? I think I'll stop repeating myself here. So we'll cut out the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, we also cover all the traditional stocks if you're into that. 7 days a week. So kindly join us here on this interesting journey. And we'll send you that information when it is available. All right. So thank you for your time, guys. Thanks for stopping out. Remember to execute your strategies. Always be kind and positive. Keep that energy flowing. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.